What's the difference between cancel, erase, and delete in English? To cancel means to call off that something is not going to take place anymore. Means to call off. Announce that something is not going to take place now or anymore. For example, appointment, visit, trip. Erase means to manually rub or remove out something. So you can erase a drawing, you can erase a writing material. To delete means to remove some files virtually removing the files. For example, you can delete a phone number, photo, message. It means you remove the files from the device virtually. They quite look the same, but they're not similar. If you like my videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is in the description box, and as well as to my Instagram.